Hello friends, I am HEIC. Today I will show you how to open HEIC files on Windows. If you are ready, let's get started. We'll use this website to convert HEIC files to JPG Online. I'll include the link in the video description. First, let's click on the Select Images button and select our HEIC file and upload it to the website. Click the Convert to JPG button in the bottom right. Click on the Download Converted Images button to start the download. As you can see, our converted JPG file has been downloaded. Let's test it. As you can see, we converted the HEIC file that could not be opened to JPG Online and were able to open it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or problems, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the HEIC YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.